a warm brown shade on the outer part of the crease and blend it gently toward the center of the lid to create a soft, warm base. Apply a medium green eyeshadow on the lower portion of the lid, blending it upward so it melts into the warm brown transition. Place a dark forest green shimmer shadow on the inner part of the lid and soften the edges so it connects seamlessly with the green in the center. Use a dark eyeliner along the upper lash line, then blend it slightly outward to add dimension to the outer corner. Apply a green eyeliner on the waterline for a bold pop of color. Tap a golden shimmer on the center of the lid to brighten and bring attention to the eyes. Apply a green eyeshadow along the lower lash line and blend softly for a cohesive, smoky effect. Apply mascara to both upper and lower lashes to complete the look. Apply a lilac eyeshadow on the inner part of the lid and blend it softly upward toward the inner crease. Start creating a gradient with a neon pink eyeshadow. Take a darker lilac or purple shade and place it on the inner crease, blending it toward the center of the lid for smooth gradient. Apply a deep blue eyeshadow on the outer V, extending it slightly outward to lift the eye. Blend this shade along the upper lash line as well to accentuate the shape. Tap a shimmer shade onto the center of the lid and lightly diffuse it across the lid to add dimension and glow. Deepen the outer V further using a darker shadow, blending it into the blue for a smoky finish. Apply black eyeliner on the bottom waterline. Then smudge blue eyeshadow along the lower lash line for added drama. Apply mascara to enhance both the upper and lower lashes. Apply a black kajal on the outer part of the upper lash line, pulling it outward into a crisp wing. Blend slightly upward for a soft, smoked effect. Use a light eyeshadow shade on the inner part of the lid to open up the eyes and create contrast. Layer a shimmer shadow over the inner lid, tapping it gently on top of the lighter base to make it pop. Line the lower lash line with a black eyeliner. Take a dark shadow and apply it along the upper lash line, blending it into the gray wing and softly smoking it outward for added depth. Apply a shimmer to the inner corner to brighten and lift the entire look. Use black eyeshadow along the bottom lash line, blending it slightly for a soft, smoky finish. Apply mascara to both upper and lower lashes to complete the look. Hope you enjoyed this quick and easy party-ready eyeshadow tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to SS Beauty for more looks and tips.